guys, welcome back to Horilla. Today in this video, let me show you how to create a candidate inside Horilla. For that, let's open the recruitment module under the recruitment where you can find the candidates. Open the candidates. Take a look at the top right corner of the screen where you have this plus create. Click on create and here comes the candidate creation form. So here, provide the name of the person. So let the name of the person be Jerry. And you have the option to provide the email ID of the person. So I'm putting it as jerry@gmail.com. Specify the mobile number of the person. Okay, so here is the mobile number I'm giving. And if you have a portfolio for the person, the portfolio link can be provided over here. Now you can choose the recruitment for which this candidate has come. So I'm just choosing recruitment drive, the job position for which this person has applied for, which is Django developer. Okay, so that is also done. Now you can choose the date of birth of the person. So I am choosing the date of birth. So let's go and I'm choosing 2000, June 16. Okay, so the date of birth is given. Now you can choose the gender. Okay, so gender is also there. Now the person's, shows the address, country, state, zip, referral, and all such things can be added. And one important thing is to add the resume. So click on the the file from your system and then choose it. Okay. Now, to make this candidate active, you have to enable this. And if you have canceled the candidates, you can simply enable this. Once you're done, you can save it. And here comes the candidate which we have created. Okay. Jerry. So there is some, required field which we have, avoided. So I'm just going to choose a file, which is to upload a photo and I'm opening it. Okay. The file has been chosen. Now let's save it. And let's choose the resume. Okay. So that's chosen and saving it. Now you can see the candidate has been added. So this is the candidate which I've created, which is Jerry. I've added a picture for the person as well as added the resume. So don't forget to fill out the required fields. If you do that, you will be facing such errors. So that's how you can create a candidate easily inside Horilla. It's that simple. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.